we want to talk about something because somebody called me and asked me this question. He said, why are you planting in the buckets? And I believe some other persons may be, asking these questions too. The reason why we plant in the bucket is not because we want to leave those plants in this bucket. But however, there are some plants you can leave in the bucket. We'll talk about that later, maybe in our next video. You saw us in our previous video we planted cherry and some other fruits like avocado pear and which other fruit? Soursop in the bucket, in this very bucket. Like that cherry, we are going to transplant that cherry. What we talk about in that video is for those, we said in case you are a tenant in the compound you presently live and you are planning to move to your own land or you are planning to buy your own land, don't wait until you get your own land. That is what we said in that video. So you can plant in the bucket like this, just put it close to your flat. You can put it at the backyard of your flat or the front. Before you know, this plant will start growing. So at the time you have your own land, you now transplant this plant, the cherry, the soursop, and any other avocado pear. You now transplant them to your land. So that is the reason why you see us planting cherry in the bucket and avocado, pear, and soursop, because these are big tree fruits. So you can't leave those kind of plants in the bucket. But there are some other plants you can also leave in the bucket. Like I said earlier, we will talk about that in our next video. We use those plants to do the practical, to do the teaching, so that you will see it. So that is the reason we plant in the bucket. We plant in the bucket to transplant them later, especially those fruits that have big trees. Please share this video. Let's also get to others that may be asking these questions too. Remember that you are my brother and that you are my sister. Love you. Bye for now. See you in our next video and God bless you.